Hello and welcome to this HowTech video tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a PDF from an Excel file. So the first and probably recommended way to do it, most common, is just go to here and make sure it's selected PDF and not XPS and hit publish, and that will give you a converted Excel file to PDF. Another way you can do it is just go to the Save As file. You'll have to do a little searching this way, but the exact same thing as the first way to do it. Now, you find PDF, and finally again, just hit Save this time, and it'll save it as a PDF for you. And another way to do it is just go to the Print, and we can hit Microsoft Print to PDF, after we change some settings if needed to, and we can go ahead and once everything looks real nice, hit print and change your file name, make sure it's PDF, save it, and so forth. Now to make sure that it all prints correctly to PDF, we can go to Page Break Preview, change how it changes the pages and whatnot, page layout view if you want that, add some headers or footers if you want. And you got a few options here. There are also third-party applications you can install as well as online converters. But if you can do it right from within Excel, that's probably the most ideal. This has been a HowTech video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.